Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a makeup inspired look for Celeste from Animal Crossing. It's going to be more of an inspired look today using some of her colors and shapes and putting them onto our face. So now we're going to be taking a red shadow and putting it above the lid, so in our crease and right up almost until the eyebrow, and we're actually going to be dragging it out towards the temples. Now we're going to be taking a slightly darker red and just deepening up the crease and the outer corner of the eye. The reason we did so much color in such a large space is because we're going to be attempting a cut crease. Now, this is not my specialty. Usually people will go in with a flat brush and just go ahead and do everything on the lid, but I'm actually just going to stamp it out with a nice thin brush. I find it a little bit easier, and we're doing a full cut crease, so I will be putting white concealer all over my lid and where a cat eye would go, so your cat eye liner. It is very difficult to do, so don't beat yourself up if you can't do it on the first try. We've only put 2 colors down, everything can be restarted, and everything can be changed up with a little bit of a wipe. So we're going to be setting that white concealer with a white eyeshadow. You do this because your eyes will crease throughout the day or even just in an hour, so you want to make sure that white stays nice and solid. And for this part, I do apologize, I can't do it in camera. I needed to do it very close to a mirror. I'm drawing a red line above the white concealer just to make the line a little bit cleaner. And now we're gonna put a black eyeliner on the bottom part of the white. So it's a little sandwich of red, white, then black. I already put on my foundation off camera, and now we're just going to be contouring. If you did want to see my general process for a full face look, please do check out my other videos. I go over in every other video. I just wanted to keep this one nice and short. We're going to be doing the nose now, and since she has a beak, I'm going in with a bright yellow right on the tip of my nose. A little trick you can do for faces that are not naturally a normal skin color, go ahead and contour in that color. So we're going to be contouring the nose with the red eyeshadow we used on the eyes. And we're going to be using that same red as a blush as well. We're using a red-based highlighter just to keep everything super cohesive. I put little white dots right on the red to simulate the eyebrows that she has in the game. For the eyebrows, I'm adding in a little bit of red tint into them, but I am using my normal eyebrow pencil. So it's a combination of my normal brown hair color with a little bit of a rusty red. For lips, nice red, nothing too strong. And then don't forget your lashes and your mascara. Thank you guys so much for watching my Celeste makeup tutorial. I hope you guys love her just as much as I do, and that she's bringing you some comfort in these coming weeks. If you guys really liked it, or even if you just love Celeste, please, I'd appreciate a like. And I do post every Friday either makeup or con related things, and I'd love to see you back. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next week. Don't forget to look at the stars tonight. Goodbye.